Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and in this particular video I'm gonna show you how to set up the shipping policy on your Woocommerce website. So let's get started. I give you an example first before we go and discuss more about how to set up. So here we have an example website, chickimicki.com. If you select any product and add to cart, simply add to cart, and then if you go to the cart, so view cart, you can see here there would be two shipping options, free shipping and express post. So you can see like the shipping policy of this website is set. Although this website is selling to Australian customers only, that means within Australia only, but in this particular video we're going to discuss about how to set up this shipping policy for different countries. So if your website is selling to a few different country customers, you can set up the shipping policy according to the country or country wise. So let's go back to the WordPress admin panel. So if you are on the dashboard, something like this one, simply go to your Woocommerce, and under the Woocommerce tab, go to settings. Under the settings, if you go to shipping, you can find all the shipping options. But before that, make sure go to the general tab, and here go to the general options, and here you have to select sell to specific countries, whatever countries you want to sell the products to. If you are open to all country customers, like if you want to supply your products to any countries you want, then this option can be suitable to you, sell to all countries. If you want to sell to only specific countries, you must select this option, sell to specific countries, and then choose your dedicated countries. Once you select and finalize the countries, shipping locations, ship to all countries you sell to, and that's it. If you want more information about how to set up these options correctly, check out the link given here in the description as well as in the card here, and it will show you more in that video. Now, once you set up the countries, you just simply save changes and then go to shipping. Okay. So go to shipping tab, and here you will find three utmost options where you see shipping zones, shipping options, and shipping classes. First is the shipping zones. So in the shipping zone, you can see Woocommerce is providing a bit of information here. It says a shipping zone is geographic region where a certain set of shipping method and rates apply. For example, local zone California with postcode and local pickup. US domestic zone, which means all US states, flat rate shipping. Europe zone means any countries in Europe, flat rate shipping. Add as many shipping zones as you need. Customers will only see methods available for their addresses. Simply add shipping zone. If you are new and haven't added any shipping zone here, click to add shipping zone and give a name to your shipping zone. So in my case, I want to sell products to Australian customers, and I want to set up different policy for Australia only. Then I will write Australia. But if I want to combine the same policy for Australia and New Zealand customers, then I will say Australia/NZ zone. Okay. And then you select zone region. That means which country you're talking about or which particular region. If you want to set up only for particular state like Victoria in Australia, okay, then Victoria zone, okay, and then I would select Victoria only in Australia, okay. But in my case, as I said before, I would say Australia or maybe AUS/NZ zone, okay. That means Australia and New Zealand, and I want to make this policy for Australia and New Zealand. Okay, that means two zone regions are selected. Now add shipping method. So I want to add the flat rate shipping method as well as free shipping method. So flat rate is here, and then add shipping method. So simply add, and once you added the flat rate shipping method, you can add it further. And here, if you want to add taxable or non-taxable thing, method rate is flat rate. That means you can add the cost if you want. 0 means it's a free shipping. I want to add the flat rate of 9.95 and then save changes. I also want to add another shipping method, which is free shipping. Okay, and add shipping method, and I want to add some rules for the free shipping. So here title is free shipping, requires valid free shipping coupon or minimum order amount or coupon uh, or and coupon. Okay, so I will go with minimum order amount or coupon. That means if someone purchase, I have set $100. So if someone purchase $100 or more in one shopping, then it will give that customer a free shipping and they don't have to pay extra $9.95 on their purchase. Also, coupon discount, apply minimum order rule before coupon discounts. So if you want to go with this option, you can go with, but I would always go with apply minimum order rule after coupon discount. So that means if your coupon is giving 10% discount and someone is purchasing worth of $100 items from your website, and then they apply 10%, that means it reduced to $90, they still have to pay for the shipping. That means it urges your customers to spend a little bit more money and buy at least $10 worth of items to make up to $100, and it will make you a profit. You understand? So simply untick this and then save changes, and that way I will go. But again, if you don't want to go with any of these rules, and if you just want to apply and give only free shipping to any purchase, like no any requirements, just simply NA and then save changes. That means for any purchase you give a free shipping to your customers. And on top of that, if you want to add another rule, says flat rate shipping, but here instead of flat rate you give another name, says express post shipping. Okay, and now if you want to add extra amount like 9.95 or 10.95, whatever amount you want, and then save changes, then that means customer will have two options. Either they can go with free shipping or express post, where they expect the item to be delivered earlier than free shipping. If you want to modify a little bit more, you can also edit something like 4 to 10 days or whatever days like shipping time is for your local country, postage. And for express post, I would say 2 to 4 days. Okay, so it will urge your customers to spend money on express post because they can expect the items earlier than the free shipping. By the way, let me make the format correct. So 4 to 10 days and 2 to 4 days. That seems correct now. Now, if I go to shipping options here, you can see there are a few options to choose with. Calculation, enable the shipping calculator on the cart page. So you can enable the shipping calculator on the cart page so customer can go through the calculator and then would know that how much they have to pay for the shipping cost if you have multiple shipping classes and zones. Or if you just disable it, and if you have flat rate shipping, then just leave it blank, and at the checkout page customer would know how much they are paying. Also, shipping destination, default to customer shipping address, default to customer billing address, for shipping to customer billing address. So many websites, they allow customers to choose different shipping address and different billing address, so which is good thing, but it's up to you. If you just want force to customers to ship to their billing address only, simply select this option. That means whatever customers filled out in the checkout page, item will be shipped on that particular address only. So whatever shipping address is, the same would be the billing address. Okay, so in my case I would go with this one, but it's up to you whichever option you want to go with. Okay, and then save changes. Once you save the changes, go to shipping classes here, and here there are shipping classes you can assign. So add the shipping class, and you can give a name to the shipping class, saying like small items. Okay, and then would say you don't have to write anything in the slug, it will assign automatically from the name. And description, you say like small items under 5 kg. Okay, and then say shipping class. If you want to add another shipping class, you can add another shipping class. Okay, and that way you can assign more to it. So say medium items and medium items under 10 kg. Okay, and maybe save. And now what to do more about this thing? Simply go here, not here, sorry, here, and under the zone, you go and fix this thing. So you can go with express post, and here under the express post rates, you can assign the rate chart. So here is the fun part. You can go even more technical in terms of the rates. So instead of just putting the just say 9.95 for the medium items and 7.95 for the small items, and if there is no specific class mentioned, that means 9.95, you can go like that. Or you can even go, instead of giving the cost, you just make it 0, and I will assign the rates on the classes I created just now. So instead of medium items 9.95, I want to set like 7.95. okay, and then I want to enter the plus sign, and then I will add the $2. That means 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so 9.95. Then star sign and then square bracket, and then I will write QTY quantity, square bracket, and then bracket. So you just follow this structure to assign the specific type of rule. That means 795 plus 2 is 995. If customer is purchasing medium item just one in quantity, he will be charged $9.95 plus every quantity add-on on medium items. That means if he is doing 2, every item add-on he will be charged $2 extra. So if there is a 2 items of medium size items, then he will be charged $9.95 plus $2 is $11.95. If there is 3 items, $13.95, and so on. Same with this, simply copy this rule and apply this rule. Instead of 7.95, I'll go with 5.95. Then it goes accordingly, 7.95, and at each item it will be $2. In your case, it could be different. You want to charge like $10.95 or $10 plus $2 is $12 for each medium item, and then after on add-on medium items, $2 each quantity, right? So whichever rule you want to go with, you just simply put your charges and follow this structure. Okay, just remember this structure. And if there is no shipping classes mentioned, or if there is no shipping class, you just want the flat rate to be charged, which is $9.95, or in your case could be X amount like $15, $20, or whatever. Now here, calculation type. So this option, there are 2 options here. Per class, charge shipping for each shipping class individually, or per class per order, charge shipping for most expensive shipping class. So you have to decide accordingly which calculation type you want to go with. In my case, or in my suggestion, this first one is the best option. Most of the ones like to go with. So charge shipping for each shipping class individually, and that means if customer is buying medium items and small items in the same cart, he will be charged all the cost differently. Once you done that, simply go back to shipping zones, or click here, shipping zones, and here you can select to add another shipping zone if you want to add another country. Now the fun begins. If you are selecting or selling to only one country or one particular shipping zone, it's okay. But if you are selling to multiple countries, you require some changes. So go to General tab here, and there would be like default customer location. So here you have 4 options. Okay, you select either no location by default, shop country or region wherever your shop is or website is, geolocate, and geolocate with caching support. If you are selling to multiple countries, I would highly suggest you to go with this option, geolocate. If you're selling to multiple countries, also if you're using the caching plugin like SiteGround SG Optimizer or Fastest Cache or WP Super Cache or something like that, or WP Optimize or any other plugins, simply go with this option, geolocate with page caching support. Okay, then you save changes here and then go back to your shipping tab. On the shipping tab, now you can enter another country and follow the same steps. So like in my case now, USA zone, and I want to sell to United States. Okay, and then add shipping. So because I'm selling to United States and I'm shipping from Australia to United States, that means it is costly. I must charge, I can't provide free shipping, so I will go with flat rate, and I will add the shipping zone. So here, because I already created the classes, either I can go with these classes or I can leave it blank if I'm not using the classes. But because I'm using these same classes on other, for other zone, you must assign. So in for the United States, I will leave cost 0. Okay, flat rate, you just give a name like regular post. Okay, and then come down here, medium items, instead of $10, I just calculated my my charges from Australia Post. For medium items, it can cost me up to $35, so I will go with $33.95 or $32.95 plus $2 is $34.95, which is $35 for medium items. And each items I want to charge, maybe instead of $2, I want to charge $10 extra. So now I have to calculate further, and I will make the changes to $24.95. With small items, I want to make it to $20.95 in $5. So I have to make it to 14. So that would be $19.95. No shipping class, I would say like I follow the same table as medium items, so I will not be at loss. Okay, and now I will go with the same option and everything is same. If you want to assign the express post also, you can do that, but again, if you are shipping outside of your country, most of the times express posts are very expensive, so you don't want to go with that path. But if you want to go with that path, you have to do the same thing. In terms of regular post, it usually takes 7 to 14 days. So I just describe here. That means customers would have more idea how much time it will take. So now, because I haven't done or assigned any shipping classes, let's view or visit the website, and let me add any particular item to the cart. Go to the cart and view cart. And if I view the cart here, you see, because I'm in Australia and I'm opening the website from the Australia, it is showing the Australian rates, where as a customer, if I'm willing to purchase these items, there is a free shipping available for 10 days. If I want to, if I need these items urgently, I can buy with express post. Okay, and because there is no class mentioned for any of these items, there is a flat rate fee of $9.95, and I can proceed to checkout and then purchase the item, okay, with extra shipping cost. Keep this item as it is for now and go back to the cart page and stay on here. Go back to your admin panel and let's make some changes. So go to products, all products, and let's pick one of the products. So I want to pick this product. Okay, car rear view mirror button control. So this is the one. Let me open a new tab. Now if you go under the product data, under the shipping tab, okay, here you will see there is an option called shipping class. Now you will find the options to select. So this product is the small item. I will go with small items shipping class. Before there was no shipping class selected. Now small item shipping class, and then save. Okay, same thing I will do with Sparkplug NGK BR9EYA. So BR9EYA, open, and shipping classes. Let's, for the sake of this tutorial, let's select medium items category or shipping class for this particular item and save changes. And let me remove this item. Okay, now you see after the shipping class has been assigned to these particular products, you can see it has calculated accordingly for this price. So if I close the tab, if I go and open the settings, zone, shipping, and Australia, New Zealand, and express, so here for medium items you see it should cost me $10.95 plus $2 is $12.95. And there is another item which is, let me close both items. There is another item which is under the small items category which cost $5.95 plus 2. So I open it. So plus 5.95 plus 2 is 20.90. You can see here it's matched to the calculation we provided. So now it is charging for these two items express post $20.90. So voila, it's working. That's good. Now because we have selected geolocation option, it says the license key is invalid. Simply follow this settings page. So open to new tab, and you can see here maximind license key. What you have to do is simply go and go to this integration here and follow these instructions. Generate the new license key. Once you generate the license key, you can give a name to that license key. In my case is like I would select the name of my website, okay, and then confirm. Once you confirm, there would be license key generated. Make sure you copy the license key because there would be only one chance. You cannot copy the license key again. So copy the license key and then go back to this tab and then paste the license key here and then save changes. And that's how the geolocation option will start working. Alright, I forgot to mention one thing here. I forgot to mention how to allow customers to pick up from your store if you have a physical store as well. So let's add that option as well. Just imagine you have physical store, and on the general tab you also enter the physical store address here and then go to shipping zone. So now in this case, instead of having combined shipping zone, if you are having the store in Australia, you should not go and mess with two different countries together because you want to make it separate. So let it be only Australia as a region because I want to add the shipping zone Australia only and allow customers from Australia to pick up from particular postcode. So I will say Australia or Oz zone, okay, and here under the add shipping method, okay, I will choose local pickup, okay, and then add shipping method just to make customer more aware about how they can pick up. So I don't know why it's not showing up. Okay, now it shows up. I will also add more information on the local pickup. So edit, and on the bracket I will say 3020 Sunshine, Victoria. Okay, so that means customers can pick up from the store 3020 Sunshine, Victoria. Okay, or you can just dash like that, 3020 Sunshine, Victoria. That means this is the postcode 3020 of your store address, and Sunshine, Victoria is the suburb of your store. And then save changes, maybe add 0, or if you want to charge for pickup like $5 or something, you may charge, but in my case I will make it 0 cost for pickup, and then save changes. Now if I go to the cart page and if I refresh the cart, here there would be an option called local pickup, and you see here it says the postcode. If you want to add or enter more information, then I say postcode 3020 Sunshine, Victoria, and then save changes. And if I go to the cart page, it will be like postcode 3020 Sunshine, Victoria, local pickup. That means the customers can pick up from this postcode as well, and if they choose this option, they will contact you for the pickup arrangement. And if because I have removed the New Zealand from the zone, I may have to create the zone separately and follow the same method as I created the USA zone. That's it. That's how you created the shipping policy in WooCommerce website using only WooCommerce settings. Hope you learned something new today. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Please thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any future updates on this channel. Comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions related to shipping classes or shipping policy on WooCommerce, and I will happy to answer you as soon as possible. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.